Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the best tripod for DSLR. This video is of one of the most requested ones as cinematographers are confused about using tripods for DSLR and don't know which one to choose. But no need to worry, as we have come up with the best tripods for DSLR that you can use and enjoy capturing important shots of your life. These products are listed according to their price, performance and rating. All the product links are mentioned in the description box down below, which are updated for the latest prices. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. On number 5 we have placed the best portable Manfrotto Befree advanced tripod. From the name you might have an idea that it is one of the best tripods and deserves to be placed in our top 5 categories of the best tripod for DSLR. Many photographers find it is really difficult to have a kind of tripod that is portable in the best way possible. You will be relieved to know that it is one of the best portable tripods, as it is highly convenient to configure. It is lightweight that makes it ultimately ideal for travel, and the modern aluminum technology makes it stress resistant. Hence, making it the best tripod stand for DSLR. Once you have placed your camera in the stand, you will be able to get any angle to catch your ideal shots, as it is highly adjustable and can be adjusted at any angle. Its maximum height is 59.45 inches and its minimum height is 15.75 inches. That makes it even more convenient to be adjusted at a desirable height. It comes in a lever-lock black color, that ultimately enhances the look of your DSLR. So by buying this tripod you will be getting a nice, stylish-looking and travel-friendly tripod, making your photography experience an ideal one. On number 4 we have placed the best modular GorillaPod 5K kit by JOBY. We have placed this tripod in the number 4 category on our best tripod for DSLR list, as it is extremely modular, durable, and efficient in its working. It is extremely flexible and sets at any angle you want. You can have your ideal shots at your desired angles with a great amount of ease, as this tripod allows you to have a firm grip. It is also compatible and stays connected to your camera for a long amount of time. It is easy to use and does not need any specific guidelines. The product dimensions include 2.56 by 2.56 by 15.16 inches. It is travel-friendly and space-friendly. It also comes in black color, which nicely complements your DSLR. It weighs approximately 0.74 kilograms and has a weight limit of about 11 pounds. So, you don't need to worry about how well does this tripod going to take the weight of your DSLR, as it could bear a lot. It could be fixed at a desirable position, making you get your ideal shot in a short amount of time. On number 3 comes the best professional Miliboo MTD609A. If you are professional or are on your way to becoming a professional cinematographer, then this should be the number 1 go-to product. It is ideal to lift heavyweight camcorders. It comes with a smooth head that will reduce the scratches on your camera. It can be used in severe weather conditions, such as in cold or hot weather. It is travel-friendly and can be placed at any place. The product dimensions include 8.5 by 8.5 by 38.43 inches. It could easily bear the weight of cameras that are up to 11 pounds and sometimes even more than that. It is flexible and is easy to use. It comes with a floor spreader and can be used to take pictures at different angles. It is a stable tripod that can be adjusted at any place. It could work in extreme conditions as well. It comes in black in color, and trusts me, it even gives your DSLR a nice professional look, making you look more professional as well. On number 2 comes the best easy-to-use Manfrotto 190s Pro. This tripod is no doubt considered to be one of the best tripods for DSLR, as it is super easy to use. It is quick to set up and rotates in pretty much every direction. You can easily take your perfect desired shot with this efficiently working tripod. The product dimensions include 19.2 by 5 by 5 inches. One of the reasons that we have placed it at number 2 on our list of the best tripod for DSLR is because it is lightweight, which means that it weighs only 4.6 pounds, making it super easy to carry from one place to another. It is a built-in rotating bubble range so that you can set it according to your own will. Its new leg angle selectors make it super easy for cinematographers like you to get your desired shot in a short amount of time and with great ease. For great positioning possibilities, Q90 column is also present. It can reach up to the maximum height of 160 centimeters and a minimum height of 8 centimeters. The pretty nice difference. Isn't it a great tripod to solve all your problems? On number 1 we have placed Best Overall Alta Pro 263 app by Vanguard. Many people on the internet are confused about the thing that what type of tripod they should buy that provides the overall benefits. You will be glad to know that this tripod by Vanguard provides all the benefits such as compatibility, durability, efficiency, and flexibility. All these perks have made us put this product on our list of the best tripod for DSLR. It is easy to operate and doesn't need a specific guide to access it. All you need to do is just place your camera on the top of it and start taking your ideal shots. This tripod has dimensions of about 29.5 by 6 by 6 inches and can bear a maximum weight of up to 11 pounds. It is space and travel friendly. Modern technology makes it stress resistant. It comes in black color that complements the looks of your DSLR as well. Hence, these qualities make it one of the best tripods for DSLR. Hope you found this video helpful. Now don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more upcoming videos, stay tuned. The product links are in the description box down below, which are updated for the latest prices. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.